What is up? I am Omni, and this is Ark Survival Evolved. However, things are a little bit different today. Today, we are not on the Wolves server. We are on my private save file, which is why I'm using the female model. Well, not why I am, but it's how come I'm a female model suddenly. Okay, well, I really wanted to bring the new content to these videos today, but it seems like the Primitive Plus DLC is interfering with that, which is why we are using my local save today. So I hope everybody out there doesn't mind. We are going to be exploring the new fishing mechanic. Now, I did go ahead and spoil it for myself because, you know, it sounded like something that needed a little bit of research done. But anyways, you start out by crafting a fishing rod, which is right here in between the feeding trough and the hide gloves. So I think that's about level 15 to 20 to, you know, get high enough level to use it. And it also requires sitting down in a chair or a bench. So, if you can see it right there, I went ahead and placed a chair around. And finally, using the fishing rod also requires bait. So far, bait is either tree sap from the redwood trees or leech blood. And you can catch all three types of fish: the coal, the saber-toothed salmon, and the piranha. Now the piranha will only take the leech blood, I believe. And also, looking at the wiki, it says that this is kind of a quick time event game. Oh wow, you're just swimming right the hell up here, aren't ya? What size are you? Just 1.3. Alright, so let's sit down. We'll get out the fishing pole. We already put up a bait. So let's throw our line out. No, left click doesn't do it. Throw our line out. No, right click doesn't do it. C do it. Mouse wheel. What the? Oh, there we go. Do I actually have to aim at the fish? Okay. Oh, I was hoping this would be a little bit quicker. How do I reel in? Just right click? There we go. Now it says when I get a bite, there will be a quick time event, and a selection of keys will pop up. And the bigger the fish, the more keys that are required to reel it in. Oh, are you telling me that? Oh, I can't even aim at that fish. There we go, we'll go for deeper waters. Oh, come on. I guess it's just like fishing in real life. You need a little bit of patience, which I severely lack. How do I know when I've got a bite, though? Huh. What happens if I... Okay, so it looks like I have to click on the water's surface. Oh man, come on, I want to catch one fish for the peeps here. Okay, even fish in this river? Oh, they're kind of way out there, aren't they? Ow. And unfortunately, I can't catch piranhas with the tree sap, I believe. Come on, take it. You know you want to. Just taking a quick look around for nasties. I'm kinda deep in the wild here, huh? Nowhere near home. Huh. I wonder if we got deeper waters closer on this side of things. Please land. Well, there's definitely more salmon and whatnot out there. Can I craft another chair real quick? Just need a little bit of wood. Oh, and it consumes the bait every time you cast, I guess. I don't know, maybe I would have done better on a raft. I really want to see what this QuickTime event stuff is supposed to be about. Huh. I guess maybe I should have scouted out an area that was crowded with fish or something. Come on, I see you out there. Take this bait, darn it. I wish there was something I could do to, like, entice the fish, because I guess just the bait ain't gonna do it. Maybe I did need to go get the leech blood. I really didn't want to do that. I don't want to end up with swamp fever. Oh. Oh, jeez. Huh. What the heck? Did it scare them all away? Huh. Okay, can we get any better luck over on the other side? At all, like, seriously. Alright, I had to kind of be careful. I'm kind of like in Spino Central over here. First. Okay, well, there's coal here. Oh, look at that guy. Can I just stab you? Oh, man. Alright. Come on. I see you out there, you salmon. Oh wow, the durability on this goes down really, really fast, too. Even just... Huh. I'm really debating the worthwhileness of this. I mean, you'd have better luck fishing if you just waded in there with like a dire bear or something. Come on, take it. Huh. I wonder if I'm supposed to be doing something different. I really don't want to go get the leech blood. I should have just went and got some anyway so I could change it out. I apologize for this, peeps. realize it was going to be such a bore. Oh, X. 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 A. Oh, there we go! We got one! Alright, cool, I caught a coal. Awesome! Did I catch one more? So at least you definitely know when you get a bite. 'Cause I mean, that text was pretty bold. I was kind of hoping for more than one, but I guess we're just not going to get it. Because unfortunately in these chairs you only have like 25 degrees of aiming. Oh well. Alright, well that was fun. Let me see, what all did I get for that? Because I just automatically got stuff. So some fish meat, some prime fish meat, some keratin, crystal. Well, that was pretty cool. Tell you what, Cessna, you can have the fish meat. And you can get another point of movement speed. We're heading for 250. Alright, guys. Well, that is pretty much part one of today's episode here. So what we're going to do, it's weird looking at the female model after doing so many videos as the male. Alright, but what we're going to do is, since we're on the center map, I'm going to go ahead and fly over to the new Redwood biome area. So, I'll see you in a minute, peeps. BRBs and everything. What is up, and welcome back, peeps. Can you say absolutely massive land bridge? I'm sure you could. Okay, I really wonder what's going on with those mountains, but I'm afraid of flying all the way there. But check this out. On the southern side of, you know, the original center map, we have a huge land bridge that goes over to this Redwoods area. The rumor mill had me believing that it was just going to, like, be a separate island, just an island of massive trees. But we got, like, a nice blending going on here. And yeah, I can assure you that I am not moving slow or anything. This place is just so dang big. And I really, really, really want to see what that's all about up there. However, I have watched some other people's videos, so I know I'll hit the Visqueen long before I get up there. But are those like cherry blossom trees? Yeah, they're like something like it. But yeah, I think I'll hit the Visqueen before I can even get to the top of this waterfall. Oh, silly green drop, you scared me with your sudden appearance. Yep, there we go. So darn, that stinks. But, man, this place is just as beautiful as the Redwood biome on the island. Except this is like 4 times bigger. Wow. I don't know whether to go up or down. We have giant monkey men statues. Now what's with this? Is this just like a an effect that they put that starts in the trees? Yeah, I guess it is. Oh crap, I'm already almost out of stamina. Oh, terror birds, you do not see me. You want to keep fighting with that bear for a while. And we're off. Man. Oh, that's why. I was wondering how come I was running out of stamina so fast. Turns out I was, thinking of the wrong Pteranodon. Oh, wow. I mean, if you get really creative with this, there's a lot of places you could put a base. And I'm still probably just, like, on the very, very tip near that land bridge. No, I made it about halfway through, okay. And they've obviously fixed the dire bear problem that I've heard about for the center, which is they weren't spawning. Oh, we got a little river here like we do down in this one place I know on the... What is it? I think it's the South Island. Or South Jungle Island, whatever you want to call it. Alright. Wow. This is actually pretty great. Yeah, that's like the world's most pointless fight. Okay. Man. I wonder if the island properly ends, or if we'll hit another layer of visqueen if we keep going south, basically. Oh no, the cliffs go way up too high and block us from the visqueen on the south side. Oh, thought I saw a Titan poking his head through stuff. But yeah, there are a lot of great... What? Okay. Good as hiding place as any. Go galleys. And then... Is this what I've heard about, or is this just the pass-through? Yeah, it's just the pass-through, but it's still really nice. There was like somewhere I heard about that let you like really deep inside the cliffs. Man, Cessna, you're gonna earn that meat I put in your inventory today. Wow, and we got like cliff ledges way up here. I mean, jeez. Oh, terror birds. Good thing I'm so fast. Wow, look at all this metal and crystal and stuff. Is that even obsidian or just black rocks? I guess it was just dark rocks. Wow, and it looks like that ledge has a road leading up to it. Let me see. Man. Oh, this is a nice little cove. Looks like building down this way would be a serious challenge. This looks neat, though. This looks like it could be a nice little defendable island. I wonder if there's any spawn points here. Because if you were like level 1 and found this, this would seem like an utter sanctuary. Too bad you can't get up here, though. That'd be cool. I guess you could if you had determination. Wow. Man, just all the little nooks and crannies that you could work with. I mean, even here, it would be a lot of... There's some parts here where, like, you can manage to put a little hideaway. Oh, speaking of which, I wonder if I can land on any of this. Wow, this, like, deserves to be thoroughly explored. I kind of feel bad I'm giving everyone here just a quick and dirty flyby. Oh, Visqueen. Okay. Sorry. Didn't mean to freak out so much there. I didn't realize I'd be hitting it so soon. Alright, well, I guess there's nothing left to do but to head home. And my home is that island over there. Where I brought you... But... Yeah. I decided to give that South Island a go. Man. Just look at it in all of its monstrosity. Oh, they really need to let us on the top of that. I don't care if it breaks the world, we need to get up there. Alright. Well, we made it pretty quickly. And there we are. There's my home for my private game. It's not much, but I don't really get on here all too much, really. Oh. What is with you not landing where I want you to? Alrighty. But yeah, this is my little home. Got my man Kerchak here. Tarzan fans will get that. And old school Tarzan fans will get that I have a little monkey named Cheetah. But I think we are going to have to bring the episode to a close right there, guys. It's still weird. But remember, I am Omni. This is Ark Survival Evolved. On my private save temporarily. But for the Wolves server. And I just want to remind everybody out there to play hard and game harder. See you later, peeps.